Sammy's gonna give Chris a brain rot. Sammy's gonna give Chris a dragon. Sammy's gonna give Chris 6'7". Sammy's gonna give Chris a strawberry elephant. One with the mutation, and another one with two. And now everyone watching has to like and subscribe. Sammy's gonna give Chris no beanie pizza nini. That guy is so trash. What?